Hi Sagittarius, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for February 2015. Sagittarians, we begin this month with a beautiful aspect. We have Venus that is conjuncting Neptune in Pisces. Now every time this or whenever this aspect happens, it speaks about new and fresh beginnings. It speaks about a heightened sensitivity or an awareness to beauty and spirituality. It also speaks of a time where you are easily influenced, seducible or seductible, and you could be more attuned to beauty around you. This is also a time where your relationship could seem quite magical, and it's a fantastic time to be using gentleness as a way to be harnessing the energy around you, or also to be dealing with people around you at large. Now this transit of Venus in Neptune is going to be happening in a part of your chart that has to do with your home. It has to do with your roots. It has to do with your sense of belonging, people with whom you share your space. And this is the time where romance is what it is that you're going to be after, not some fling. In fact, this entire trend for you Sagittarians, and I've spoken about it at length in my 2015 love video, you can check it later. And this trend which carries on for you the entire year begins for you in this month in February. And you could be quite prone to be watching old romantic movies at this time, and you want to feel safe because you feel more sensitive. So if someone comes across as being quite protective and loyal, it is something that you could be quite attracted to. A family member could also introduce you to someone, and you could meet someone who works maybe from home in some way. It could be an interior designer, it could be an architect, it could also be somebody who's a caretaker or a family counselor in that sense. And this is a time where you could be improving the appearance of your home. You could just be making your surroundings more beautiful. Maybe some amount of renovation could be there happening at home, and you could also be having an easier time dealing with relatives. You can expect some maybe house guests coming and staying, some people you really adore and you enjoy their company. That could be happening for you this month as well. Now we have a full moon that is there in Leo, and this is happening as well in the first week of February. And so while the new moon energy is very introspective, we have the full moon energy which is quite public, and any self-proclamations that get made during the full moon can seem to be quite infantile. This energy can also be quite, for those of you who are articulating or making any self-proclamations, it could come across as quite unrefined, because this energy just bursts forth. It's not like a very quiet and an elegant energy. So for those of you who need to be getting things out of your system, if there are some clarifications that need to be made, or you've been trying to say something for the longest of time but you have not had the courage, this energy is going to be bringing that energy to you, so you can need to have that thing. It can spur you to clarify your stand, your thoughts, articulate yourself well with a lot of courage and strength. Now we have the full moon. This is aspecting a part of your chart that has to do with higher mind and learning, and some amount of travel as well. And you could be finding that your attention to the logical world during this transit has been it has been, I would say, for the last 2 weeks, there's been a lot of focus on your world of reason, everything that is factual. And during this time, you could feel sort of a crisis of lack, and your personal beliefs could be tested around this time, and your impulses and faith matters, and all the attention that you have been given to mundane matters has you wondering whether you've been having any fun or not, and you want to take a leap of faith during this time, and your adventurous side is going to be pushing out, Sagittarians, and it's going to be demanding attention. It's a brilliant time for you to be taking a travel, maybe traveling on your own. Most of the Sagittarians I do know of love to travel by themselves, maybe just going to these unexplored exotic places. It's a good time to be doing that. I think a lot of you could have been feeling quite confined with your the responsibilities and the mundaneness and the things that need to get done, or it could just be a routine of life that could just be causing a lot of monotony around you, and this is a time where you could be seeking some form of freedom. So February is a good time to be taking a holiday, Sagittarians. Looks like a great month. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll see you soon, and thank you so much for watching.